Also, my other girl is black. Also my other girl is I have two. The one is black and one is quiet. And also I lost this black and say to me. She said to me, you say you always concentrate friends. And I say, if you wanna throw me. If you wanna throw me. And the black one say, no, it's over. And have a other guy who is having no takes. And I said, it's your decision. If you want to throw me, it's your decision. And Kengogo, I have a lucky. And my friend take me to Summerstrand. I go there, I meet white people, I around like white people. And then white people love me, and I have a girlfriend of white there. And that girl is nice, but that one complain about the friends too. And say to me, I like to sit with friends and all making PlayStation, and then when I stand up the couch, I leave the dirty there, and my friends they smoke and then leave the stomby. And I say, if you don't like my friends because my friends are black, and you want the white here, and you bring your cousin here, Michael, and smoke oka pipe here, make all the sweet smoke here. So I said to him, you too, if you wanna leave me, show me. And even now she complains, if you date mfe2 but you date nezizim